बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। सबसे पहले दुआ है कि अल्लाह ताला हम सबको अपने हिफ्ज़ो अमान में रखे। I am Muhammad Ashram Malik with English pronunciation, and as I have told you people in my previous lectures that English letters or English alphabet are only 26. There are 26 letters in English alphabet, but the sounds which these 26 letters make are 46, and among them we get 20 vowel sounds and 26 consonant sounds. So among these 20 vowel sounds, we have got the sounds which are not made by single letters, but these are produced by combinations of letters. So one of the sounds among these 46 sounds is O sound. So O sound in English, this can be had in many different ways, many different spellings, many different combinations of spellings can give us O sound. As I told you people earlier, AU, when these two letters come together, most of the times we get the sound O. Likewise, when AW, so these two letters come together, make a combination, we have O sound. And when OR, these two letters come together, so we get O sound. And although there are some exceptions, now we have got different combinations, like when A is followed by an L, so sometimes it also gives us O sound. OU sometimes gives us O sound, and sometimes OO, double O, when it is followed by R, so it also may give us O sound. A, when it is followed by R, it also may give us O sound. OAR, ORE, and OUR. These combinations give us O sound. So let's have a look at them. OU. So when OU, this combination occurs in the beginning or in the middle of letters, we get the O sound, like boat, brought, fort. And again it has come sort, thought, oat, note, and OUR. When these three letters make a combination and they also occur in the middle of letters, they may also give us O sound, like moan, pour, court, course, for, courtier. And it doesn't mean that whenever OUR they come together, they will give us the same sound. This is not always the case. There are countless exceptions to this rule. I'm just telling you that O sound can be had in many different ways, and one of them is the combination of OUR. Likewise, OAR, it may also give us O sound, like soar, row, board, hoard, course, horse, hoary. ORE. When this combination comes, so it also gives us the same sound. O, so, shore, pour, core, chore, whore. W is silent here. Before, crow, implore, snore. Now we get A when it is followed by R. So we must keep in mind that R and S, these are the letters which behave very differently in comparison with other letters of English. So R, most of the time, that breaks the rules, that breaks the generalizations. Like if we have this very word, wo, and if we do not put R here, the sound would be pretty different. Wo, ward, award, worm, won, dwarf. And likewise, O, when it is followed by R sound, it may also give us same O sound. Like this is do, po, and its pronunciation is also poor, but po is also the pronunciation. Mo, not moo, and moreland, and you can see land that is underlined here. So when it comes as a suffix, it shortens its sound. No, now here it is moreland. And Roger Moore, you might have heard the famous hero of English movies. Spellings are M-O-R-R-E, that is not moo, that is more. Now that is all. So I told you we can have O sound in so many different ways. So this is the phonetic symbol, this is the sound which can be had by many different spellings or by many different combinations of letters. It means that we can have one sound by many different letters. So there are so many exceptions to all these generalizations. Like I told you people, O-U-R. It doesn't mean that whenever O-U-R come together, they will give us the O sound, like flower, F-L-O-U-R, flower, S-O-U-R, sour, hour. So these come on different pattern. So I have told you the words which may give us O sound. There are so many exceptions. Exceptions are always there, but some words have got very few exceptions. Words ending in ORE may sometimes give different sounds, like extempore, furore. And this, here we get the sound of E here. We also get the sound of E as E. Thank you very much.